Hi, my name is Lydia. I'm a French native speaker and I speak 4 languages. Today, I want to help you to learn French with this audio language learning method. This course is designed to teach you French without textbook. Listen and repeat. Let's see today the pronunciation of the vowels. First, note the accents, les accents. L'accent aigu, the acute accent. L'accent grave, the grave accent. L'accent circonflexe, circumflex accent. Le tréma, umlaut. English speakers often say that French is easy enough to read because there are a number of similar words in the 2 languages, but difficult to pronounce. French does have several sounds that do not exist in English and that you need to learn. Les voyelles, vowels. The A sound, like ça, la, pat. The E sound, like j'ai, mais. The O sound, like eau, jaune, bateau. The E sound, like prêt, fermé, parler, mais, et. The E sound, like chèvre, tête. This sound is also used with the letter E followed by double consonants like belle, appelle. It's also used for the final ET like effet. The E sound, de, peu. The E sound, like peur, œuf, sœur. The I sound, like fil, il, j'y vais. The O sound, used with the final O, like vélo, or an O before S, like rose, or O accent circonflexe, like môme. The O sound is an open O. The O sound is an open O before 2 consonants, like homme. The OR sound, like porc. U, like autruche, mur. Ou, like souris, ou, goûter. Les semi-voyelles. Semi-vowels are written vowel combinations that are pronounced in a single syllable. I, like famille, papillon. I, like travail, chandail. Eil, like soleil, merveille. Oie, like poisson. Huet, like muet. Hua, like suave. Hui, like fruit. Les voyelles nasales. Pronounce the nasal vowels as a single sound through your mouth and nose at the same time. The en sound, like dent, lampe, vent. Exemple. The un sound, like bien, vin, un, teint, main, fin, plein. The on sound, like cochon, combien. Et maintenant, entraînez-vous. Now let's practice. Try to pronounce the following words and wait for my pronunciation to correct yourself. Pâte, mais, jaune, bateau, fermé, chèvre, appel, effet, peu, peur, œuf, sœur, île, vélo, rose, môme, homme, porc, tutu, goûter, famille, travail, soleil, action, moi. Repeat this lesson as many times as needed in order to be able to pronounce easily all the sounds. Don't worry if you don't manage to pronounce everything well, it will come further on. You can join for free my Facebook group to practice your French, pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar exercises every day. Link in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the blue thumb to promote it and subscribe to the channel to see the next videos.